This is the 2024 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x2. So guys, this is the car. I'll give you guys a tour later or in a bit. Tara. Pwede nyo rin pala siyang i-on yung sasakyan kahit wala kayong susi, kahit nasa malayo kayo, kahit nasa Visayas kayo, pwede nyo siyang i-on. At the same time, pwede nyo siyang i-lock. Yeah, i-lock. Pretty much, kahit ata nasa ibang bansa kayo, pwede nyo i-on. So kapag hindi nyo siya nagagamit. So yung unit na to, still very fresh. 6 months pa lang yung unit na to sa akin. And tignan nyo naman, 6 months pa lang, pero ganyan yung auto niya guys. 9,340. So yung first PMS na to is nasa 10k. And kailangan ko nang magpa-schedule ng PMS for my Wildtrak. So ayun, at the back, meron din namang sockets dito. Dito merong air vents. And magulo lang talaga. And then may sockets, may air vents. And then you get to this one. Armrest din siya. Tapos kung gusto nyong lagyan, cup holder, may cup holder din yan. So pretty much ganun lang talaga siya. Very very comfortable. The pickup is very comfortable. And as you can see, ito yung power steering. Beautiful, perfect. And ayan, 500 kilometers na yung natakbo natin from yesterday non-stop. So yung fuel economy niya guys is 10.4 according dito. Kasi yung takbo ko naman kasi is medyo, alam mo yan, medyo nasa mabilis. Pero kung tipid lang, meron namang eco mode, like it's 0. So just press this, ayan. Press that. Normal, eco, there's tow. If may hahatakin kayo, there's slippery ka. Yan, kapag umuulan, especially after ng ulan, mas madulas yon. Pero ngayon, normal lang tayo. And then, ito yung malaking screen, which is, pwede kang mag-drawing. Yan. Yan. Yan yung malaking screen. And of course, ito. Wala nga lang ilaw to guys. Pag yung vanity mirror, wala lang siyang ilaw. Pero, okay na din. And, yeah, pretty much. Especially, ang dami niyang lagayan, compartments inside. So here, and then we also have here, madumi lang, kalat. Kasi, lagi tayong nag-off-road, naglo-long drive. And then a little bit of, lubak-lubak, off-road stuff. Alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas. So, we have here, the AC control. So, the volume, and for hazard. And then, meron siyang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you click the and then you can choose your phone dito, phone list, and then connect mo na. And then sa driver's assistance, you click this guys, and then i-press nyo yung auto hold, naka-on. Kapag traffic, i-stop nyo lang diinan nyo lang ng konti yung brake, tapos mag-auto hold na siya. Very premium yung datingan niya kasi other pickup walang ganito. And yung controls, calm screen. Hindi dito rin yung valley mode. Kung gusto niyo ipa-valley, ayun yung pakialaman yung setup niyan, stuff like that. And then general, and then we go to vehicle. Ito. So dito niyo ma-check lahat kung ano man yung sa vehicle niyo. And then guys, meron dito yung Ford app, Ford Pass. So kailangan niyo siyang i-download. Pag dinownload niyo 'yon, makikita niyo doon yung kung ilang percent na lang yung oil nyo, tapos kung need na ba mag-change oil, saan yung location ng sasakyan nyo, ilan yung fuel na lang na natitira. So it's very informative. And this is bang for the buck, And ito yung katapat niya is yung Hilux GRS, kasi yung Raptor na sa ibang level naman yan. So yung Hilux, ito talaga yung kakompetensya niya, yung Wildtrak at saka yung Hilux. So you get merong sticker dyan. And for me lang, it's a little bit biased, pero as someone who works naman to get their dream car, syempre gusto natin yung bang for our buck, So if bang for our buck lang yung pag-uusapan, dito ka na kasi the Wildtrak is actually very modern yet rugged especially the facelift, talagang mas macho siya. Macho talaga siya tignan. And then, very square, di ba? So, the previous gen kasi iba eh. So, ayun lang. Pero, at the end of the day, to each their own, di ba? So, kung ano yung gusto ng yung budget nyo, kung ano yung kaya, kung ano yung gusto nyo, preference nyo, whether mapaibang pickup man yan or what, it's all up to you. Pero, this one, this pickup, it's very hard to beat, you know? It's different, you know, it's also black, yung top. And then you get to have your shades here. So, yeah. Pretty much, that sums everything. And then, sobrang laki ng, ng bottle holder dito. And then, ang lawak din ng space. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, yan. Malalim yan, guys. Sobrang lalim na ito. Sobrang lalim. And, you know, pag nag-drive ka, tamang ganyan ka lang. So, ayun. Here, I'm showcasing how bright the lights are. That's a wrap for our Wildtrak review. Now check out the off-road performance.